Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So we've got the quick release, easy lock quad thread trigger here from Karcher. And what we've simply done is attach this part, these two items. It comes with these three items as a set. We've attached this to the inlet of the gun itself, and then what you'd simply do is you'd have this part that goes in to the quick release. You'd attach that to your hose, your quad thread hose, so it means that the gun itself is quick release. You can quick release the gun on and off as you require. So like I say, that part there, you would attach your hose, screw this on. These come with glue inside, so you don't need to do anything, just simply attach it with this little collar. You'll have that spare, that comes as a set, because that does actually go to that side if you wanted to do it the other way around. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that is for the Karcher easy quad thread lock system with the yellow system like this.